Hi, hello, welcome back to my second cubing video. So now we are going to see about how to solve a 2 by 2 Rubik's Cube. So here I am at scramble, and in this also, as same as 3 by 3 we are going to solve the first layer. So in this cube there is no center, that's the logic. So actually this cube is a center, full cube is a center. So now how we are going to solve is, take a piece with your color. So I choose white here. So take any one piece. So I am choosing this piece. So in this piece there are three colors: white, orange, green. So white is my chosen color. So from these two I should take any one color. I am taking green. So same as this, what means, like, we should find another piece with white and green. So I got here white and green, white and green. So that piece should come over here near this green, because we choose green now. Okay, now my first chosen piece I should keep it down on the bottom, and I should make this piece to come over here near my chosen color. So I'm making a U2, making it straight, and I'm doing a F, U, F frame, like that. So I got now connected. So now these two whites and these two greens are in the correct positioned place. So now I'm choosing the second color, which means now I have completed the green. Now I got a red and followed by the orange, followed by this piece. So now I am choosing orange. So now I should find the piece with white as well as orange. So I got over here white and orange. So now what I am going to do is just make this piece to come over here. So placing it straight, F frame, U frame, F. I got it connected. Now the last one, it should come over here. So same as that, should keep it straight. Now I got in my left, so F frame, F, U, F frame. I got it solved. Now here is another case where the white is on the top. So for this case, as same as like that, keep it straight, R, U2, R prime, U prime. Then as normal we can solve this, F, U, F prime. For solving each piece, you must know to solve a single color. See my video from my channel how to solve one color, which means the normal rotation. So now the next step is to solve the yellow, OLL. So in this we should find there is an algorithm to solve the yellow color of the 2 by 2, which means the second step. So you can see my video where is an advanced algorithms. So now I'm going to teach you a beginner's method. So let's start. My target is to place one yellow piece on the top. Keep your white solved at the bottom, and my target is to make a single piece facing up with an yellow color. Now I got an yellow piece. So keep it either on your left or right. Now I am keeping on my right. Keep any one side first and check for a yellow facing on you. Remember, keep either nearby left or right. Now I am keeping on right. Here a yellow should be facing. Here it is not facing. So I am changing the side. From right I am changing to left using U. Now I got a yellow piece facing me. Now this is the correct position where I can do an algorithm to solve this yellow completely. This is an soon algorithm which is R, U, R prime, U, R, U 2 times R prime. Now I got the yellow solved. Now we can see the other cases of the OLL, which is solving the yellow. OLL full form is nothing but oriented last layer. So now I am not having any of the yellow pieces on the top. So I got two connected and one are facing each and other opposite. So now what I have to do is keep the second connected one on my left side and do the same algorithm. Now I got the one color is facing top. Now I can, and yellow is also facing me. Now I can do the algorithm. So now we can see the second most important case for beginner's method. So I said that first placing on my right or left and yellow should be facing me. I taught you the algorithm for placing on my left. So in left, yellow is not facing me now. So what I have to do is just turn it to my right using U prime. Now I got a yellow here, but I should not do this algorithm over here. This is known as anti-soon. Same algorithm I should do on my left side. So L prime, U prime, L, U prime, L prime, U 2 times L. I got the yellow solved. So there are many other cases where different yellow pieces will be facing different sides. Now I got two pieces on the top and each and two pieces are facing other sides. For solving this directed, see my advanced OLL algorithms for 2 by 2. So now in this beginner's method, do the soon algorithm just once, facing in any sides. So now I am doing. So now I got again. So do it on a little different position. So now I also go. Even now I got different. So again do it. Till you are getting the soon, do it. Now I got two on facing top and two are facing me. If you are placing at this position and doing a soon, not at like this and this, you are keeping in this position doing this, you will get the soon. I got the soon. I'm placing on my left side. I'm not having yellow, so I'm doing a U prime and making it come to my right. And now I'm going to do the anti-soon. I got the yellow solved. Now the very last final step. So now after solving the yellow, the OLL, coming to the PLL, we should solve the last second layer. Last is nothing but only two layers are there, no second layer. Second layer in the sense, so making each pieces on their correct position. This piece is on in its correct position and this piece too, but these two pieces should interchange. So after solving the yellow, there are two cases where two pieces will be nearby oriented correctly and opposite it will be oriented correctly. I have got the second case where two opposite pieces are oriented correctly. Where here one algorithm is there to solve this. R prime, F, R prime, B2, R F prime R prime B2 R2 U. So now I've got 2 as solved. So after getting 2 as solved, this is my first case now. Keep the solved piece at your back side of your cube and make this move again. Make this for algorithm again. R prime F R prime B2 R F prime R prime B2 R2 and solve it. So now I got the cube solved. So during first case, do this algorithm twice. As I said in the first, remember, when you got 2 pieces connected correctly, you will get first time itself the cube as solved. But now opposite sides are only connected. This is my second case. I should do it 2 times. Making the algorithm. And I got 2 pieces nearby connected. So I'm placing at my back and doing once more. That's it. The cube has been solved. So this is the 2x2 Rubik's Cube. Please subscribe my channel and thank you.